We're sitting out by the pool. We just got to do our exercise. We got in 3 miles. Got these old bones are moving. And I'm on my second Diet Coke. So I'm so happy. I love it. It's beautiful out here. It's really beautiful today. We're in Costa Maya. Did I say it right? And we're going to get off and walk around and see what's going on.
Yep.
So beautiful.
There could be a beer involved. Maybe.
No. I'm drinking Diet Coke.
All right, we'll see you on shore. We'll be down there in a few minutes. Bye. Acting like she's somebody special. Look at it under the tent. Goofball. Come into the entrance now to Costa Maya. This is all blocked off. The backside, I'm going to show you in a second, is all blocked up, so you don't come through the gift shop anymore. You just go around it to the right side. So they've already started transitioning things. You cannot go through the gift shop anymore. It's closed, so you have to walk around the other side. That could be a good thing. So that used to be where you came out of the gift shop. They've already blocked that up. In case you didn't know it, Royal Caribbean bought all this. And it's going to be like another Coco Cay, Mexico. Now they're wrapping the rope, and then they'll go the opposite direction and come down, unwrapping the rope.
To the gods to start their flight. This moment is similar to what we call praying. So let's give them a couple of minutes of silence, please. Due to the conquest, the attire has been changing because of the Spanish influence.
Never seen it this empty, but there is only one ship in. as you can see, they've already shut down the dolphin, swim with the dolphin thing. And you can still go over there in the little lagoon. It's still open with a swim up bar. Sure, Royal's gonna probably keep that. Anyone? So you can come in here and they massage you while you're in the pool.
She said it's warm water.
I think we got a code brown. Code brown. Everyone out of the pool. That's why I don't swim in those pools. Yep. Could be a code brown.
I told Jackie when she gets here.
All the way to the bottom. Hi, good evening.
Hello. We're getting ready to go to dinner, but we're doing something a little bit different tonight.
Because the menu on the regular dining,
We didn't like it, so
we didn't like
we're
it.
just
None
doing
of us
buffet.
liked it.
It
So
wasn't good.
we're just gonna go down to the casino for a little bit, and then we're gonna go up to the buffet.
We'll let you know.
Eat the buffet. Cheesy rolls, jalapeno cornbread, beef chickamauga, deep fried, as you can see, and then all the toppings. Fruit bar. This is all Indian food. Desserts. And more cheesy rolls, meat, cheeses. Salads. And fruits. That is it. Thanks, Jarwin.
You're welcome. What is it? I'll give you a donut.
Oh, here we go. It's getting artistic.
Very
sweet.
What is that, an eyeball?
Yeah, donut. Target.
Oh,
I'll give you a donut.
it's like what's on my back.
That's so pretty. Can we get some water?
Okay. We're all messed up on time. We don't even know what time it
They
is.
changed the ship time, so I don't even know what
Change your time.
time it is. You want our time, ship time, Tom and Al time, noon time, sun time.
I know what it's been in here.
Mexico time.
It's been
Crying time.
Loser time.
Crying time again.
She lost, he lost, and I lost.
You're gonna leave me,
Yeah, Jack's still up. I'm not. She is too.
Yeah, I'm up over
Yep. All right. So anyway, so tomorrow, Cozumel, we're going to Paradise Beach. Oh, and look.
So pretty. So pretty.
All right.
So cheers.
Anyway,
Are you too pretty?
right there's what.
Good night.
See you in the morning,
Good night.
whatever time it is.
So good.
All right. By the way, the food tonight,
Not so good.
even at the buffet,
We didn't
the
go
dining room, it was bad. They had chicken tortilla soup that had no chicken in it.
That's on the buffet.
Yeah. All right. So we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, good night.
See ya.
Good night.